Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Top MCQs 100. Today we are going to discuss past paper of SST Secondary School Teacher. First paper that we are going to discuss is held on 6 1st June 2025 and second paper was held in 2024. So first of all we are going to discuss SST FGEI, which is taken on 1st June 2025, the first paper of SST in this year. So, without further delay, let's start. First question is: how do senior school teachers contribute to curriculum development in Pakistan? You can also say syllabus, and you can also say textbook design. So the right answer is by providing input and feedback. Let me make it a little bit thin. So, so the right answer is by providing input and feedback. Let's move to our next question, which is in education management planning refer to, and the right answer is the. Let's move to our next question. Identify the characteristics of effective school administration, and the right answer is ability to build relationships with stakeholders. Our next question is: what is critical trait of effective education leaders? And the right answer is flexibility in decision making. Our next question is: in a conference of education development in 1951, the main hurdle identified was the lack of trained teachers. Is the right answer. Our next question number 7 is Pakistan education statistics for 2021 and to reflect number out of school children are 26.2 million is right answer. These all questions are taken from pedagogy. So let's move to our next question, which is about English. Identify correct preposition usage. It means there is a mistake or error in usage of proper preposition. So he was prevented to go. He was prevented for going, and the right answer is he was prevented from going because we always take from with prevent. Prevent which means किसी भी चीज़ से मना करना या किसी भी चीज़ से रोकना. तो जो इसके साथ जो preposition इस्तेमाल होती है वो है from. Let's move to our next question. Question number 9. In Pakistan, education is a fundamental right of children aged 5 to 14. Next question is Next question is also from English portion, which is again related to preposition. The plane flew in information traces the field over the field. It means there is a field and plane is flying over the field. Our next question: if I had a degree, conditional sentence, I would have appeared for that vacancy. Correct the sentence. Select the correct sentence. It is past perfect. Our next question is, so from this question we can see you must learn tenses. Question can come from tenses, whether it is past, present, future, or conditional. I will recommend it conditional sentence. You must learn. So our next question is the method which enhances student capacity by digital classroom structure is learning management system. Our next question is, who developed the theory of self-efficiency? Albert Bandura is the right answer. Our next question is, according to Jane Pigan, the process of modifying existing scheme is called accommodation. Our next question is, for better teaching learning process, the best method is, and all that option were given in the exam was not correct. So the right answer was D. None of these. One of strategy to promote engagement in the student is assigning group homework. Assigning group homework is a kind of activity in which a teacher forms 2 or 3 member group and they collectively done the given task. Our next question is, select the strategy to promote student engagement. Student engagement, creating active classroom. The right answer is. Next question is related to which of the following is best for managing classroom effectively, and the right answer is group learning. In group learning, you can make your classroom very effective. And next question is, which is the best way to evaluate classroom activity? And the right answer is surprise assessment. If a teacher comment on a certain criteria while assessing student, the best is test formative test. Tests like GRE, IELTS, set example of standardized test. Collaborative research is a technique of improved practice. Our next question is, action action research is conducted by teacher, researcher in institution. 24 number question is, which organization is responsible for regulating universities in Pakistan? So all the universities in Pakistan are under HSC. Our next question 25 is, what is the main focus of Pakistan's education development policy? Literacy and universal education. Our next question is, what is the key role of school counselor? Creating positive environment is the main role of a key role of a school counselor. Question number 27 is the best aptitude important in guidance, and the right answer is it predict academic performance. Our next question is, it ensure equal opportunities for a student in guidance. Group guidance. Our next question is, and deep seated emotionally is the right answer. Identify a sentence which has a non defining clause. The city where I was born is small. The book that you lent me is great. And the right answer was this sentence. So you from again this question you can see you have to learn clause, phrases, verbal phrases. These are things you must know. Identify the inverted sentence. Loudly barked the dog barked the dog loudly. The dog barked loudly. And the right answer, loudly barked the dog, is the correct answer. So you have to put the sentence in CV and in right series. Our next question is, we have to select a sentence according to adjective clause. So you have to remember learn adjective, adverbial, prepositional, conditional clauses, each and everything about this topic. Each and everything. So there's a chance there may be 2 to 3 questions related to clause, and you have to also learn simple, compound, and complex type of sentence, their structure. In question number 33, the question is related to sentence structure, which is compound. So you have to learn simple, complex. These 3 things, simple, complex, and compound, are 3 condition of sentence structures. You have to learn these 3 things. So move to our next question, which is again from English, and this time this is a word which is required to be put on the blank in the blank. So you have to put this word in blank, and you have given 2 to 3 words, and you have to select the right word. And this time you have to write answer of serendipity, and the right answer is fortune. Our next question is, a school policy should be determined by citizen and educators. Our next question is again the synonym of this word, which means fearlessness. Behof. Trepidation is a word which means fearlessness. Behof. RCT stand for Information and Communication Technology. Full form of ICT. Uh, this is a quotation, and you have to tell whose quotation is this. Curriculum is a written plan, and the right answer is Smith, Stanley, and Shaw. Next question is, the model of behavioral objective of curriculum evaluation was presented by Taylor. Our next question, if the manager is going doing the evaluation of a project, he is at the stage of controlling. So management and project management was also a part of this test. Our next question is, the test mode to compare the performance of a student with other student is called norm references. This is some type of comparison between performance of one student with some other students. Our next question is, the learning method which is associated with observing a behavior of other is learning by imitation. Curriculum activity. Then the right answer is curriculum activity. Very sorry, this video is going to be uh, some somehow long, but I'm trying to finish it as soon as possible. And our next question is, the textbook board was recommended by established under National Education Commission 1959. The law of effect was coined by, and the right answer is element of administration are 5. scaffolding is the right answer, and the question is breaking down complex concept into smaller or more manageable parts and teaching them is scaffolding. Our next question is first and foremost functional management is planning. And last question of this test was the research concerned with classroom problem is action research. So this was all about SST FGEI, which was held on 1st June 2025. I hope if there is any suggestion or anything else you want to say to me, kindly comment. I will inshallah reply you. For PDF, kindly text me on my WhatsApp. I will inshallah provide you PDF of this past papers. Allah Hafiz.